Okay, this video is for anyone who bought the Western Digital My Book and wants to take the hard drive out to put in their PC, similar to this. This is one I got from Costco on sale. It's got an 8 terabyte drive in it, but how to get it out. So I didn't see anything on YouTube for this particular one. It's the plastic one, and the bottom where the rubber feet are is where I first tried to open it. There's the part number on this one. And as you can see, I got a little frustrated. Turns out that was the wrong way to do it, and the proper way is to go through the top. So the top right here has got some little tangs that hold this carrier in, and it was fairly easy to pry in with a little screwdriver, something like this, and release that and just slide her out. That slides out, and the hard drive fit in there, which is right here, and it's held in by these 4 screws, which you just access through here, Allen screws. And I just used this Torx driver, worked. Not sure exactly what size, but looks like about a 3mm. So you just take those out, and it's got little rubber bushings here to keep the hard drive quiet, which is a nice touch. And then when you get the hard drive out, you'll see it's got this board attached, and that was attached with 1 screw. So that screw was here, and then all you do is you push out and unplug it. It engages in those pins. So you can actually save this and use this for an adapter for any hard drive to get the data off it without a case. So all you need is this. You plug your power supply in there, and you plug the cable in the other port, and you could fire up your drive anywhere you want. So then you're left with this drive here, which is nice 8 TB. I'm going to take a look at it, see what it is. That's the sucker right there. So and then you just got a nice bare hard drive to put in your computer. Good deal, 140 Canadian. And if you do it properly, the case will be reusable. But who needs it?